Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, March 25th, and you know what time it is. We're going to get into the prices of cryptocurrencies. Good news again in the cryptocurrency world. We are up all across the board today. Let's jump right into Bitcoin, which is at $6,722.73, up 3.4% from yesterday. As you can see here, yesterday was an extremely volatile day for Bitcoin. It jumped anywhere from $6,800 to $6,500, like 12 times yesterday. But by the end of the day, it started trending upwards, and we did see an increase over the last 24 hours. Ethereum also up 3.7% at $139.16. Dash, however, is down at 0.07%, so not too much of a decrease at $68.76. And Litecoin also up exactly 3.7% at $40.15. Join us later today when we talk about the top news articles written in the last 24 hours to tell you why Bitcoin and Litecoin and Dash and Ethereum have been moving the way that they have. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you in the next video.